It's been a long time working. I've never really focused on the physical side of it, but like I said, it's nice to be noticed.
This man been fine all.
At 78 years old, Ernie Hudson is still an icon of energy and charm, showing that age is just a number. Ernie Hudson, an established name in the entertainment industry, was born in Benton Harbor, Michigan on December 17, 1945. He is renowned for his remarkable career and enduring talent. Hudson, who is 78 years old, has been captivating audiences for more than 50 years, thanks to memorable parts in classic movies like Ghostbusters and The Crow. His work on stage and television demonstrates his versatility and dedication to his craft. Hudson is well known not only for his accomplishments in the workplace, but also for his youthful demeanor, health, and beauty. Hudson frequently credits a balanced diet and frequent exercise for his good health, which is demonstrated by his toned body and upbeat personality. In interviews, Hudson has discussed his strategy for preserving health and energy, stressing the value of confidence and self-care. Ernie Hudson's life and work serve as living examples of the eternal force of passion and the timeless quality of true beauty on the inside as well as the outside. So, how does Ernie Hudson maintain his youthful appearance despite his age? In this video, he will share his exercise routine, and after that, we'll explore 5 foods he eats for good health, as well as 2 foods he avoids. Then, we'll reveal the 5 secret supplements he takes to maintain his age. Lastly, we will talk about his cancer survival journey. Number 1. His exercise routine. Ernie Hudson has been a regular at Studio G Fitness for the past 25 years, and his dedication to fitness is as strong as his career. He works out 3 times a week there.
Welcome to Studio G. This is where I come to get the burn on. I'm not the kind of guy who can get motivated to work out on my own. I need someone to tell me what to do. For 25 years, Mr. G has been the man to kind of keep me in shape, so...
Strength training. Strength training is an essential component of Hudson's fitness regimen. You only get one body, so it's very important for me to keep it as functional as possible, he says. This approach includes weightlifting and resistance exercises, which are essential for maintaining muscle mass and bone density, especially as one gets older. Strength training also increases metabolism and improves joint health, allowing Hudson to stay fit and injury-free. Mobility exercises. Hudson includes mobility exercises into his routine to maintain flexibility and range of motion. He says, "At a certain stage in life, it's just common sense stuff. I don't want to break I don't want to overpush anything." Mobility exercises such as dynamic stretches and functional movements improve joint health and reduce stiffness. Balance training. Hudson's workouts include balance training. His exercise regimen includes balance drills and stability ball exercises. These exercises are essential for improving coordination and preventing falls, which is especially important as one gets older. Good balance also leads to better posture and stability, which improves overall physical performance. Even when he can't make it to the gym, Hudson keeps himself active by performing at least 100 push-ups, demonstrating his commitment to staying fit. Number 2. 5 foods he eats for good health. Ernie Hudson has a practical approach to eating that keeps him healthy and energetic. As someone who practices intermittent fasting, he doesn't eat before noon, so his first meal of the day is important.
I'm not really a breakfast person, so I don't eat normally before noon.
Oatmeal. Hudson often starts his day with oatmeal. He says,
First thing I love to eat, is oatmeal.
It's packed with fiber, which helps lower cholesterol and keeps blood sugar stable. Oatmeal also provides vitamins and minerals that give lasting energy. Eggs. Eggs are a staple in Hudson's diet, often eaten with smoked salmon for breakfast. They're a great source of protein, which is important for muscle health. Eggs also contain nutrients like choline for brain health and vitamin D for bones. Smoked salmon.
Favorite is salmon. Smoked salmon, I love.
Smoked salmon is a daily favorite for Hudson. It's rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are good for the heart. Salmon is also high in protein and packed with vitamins and minerals that support overall health. vegetables. Hudson includes a variety of vegetables in his meals, recognizing their importance for a balanced diet. Vegetables are rich in fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which support immune function, reduce inflammation, and promote digestive health. Water. Hudson emphasizes the importance of staying hydrated. Drinking enough water is essential for digestion, circulation, and keeping the body cool. It also helps with absorbing nutrients and getting rid of toxins. Quote unquote, staying hydrated is essential. I always make sure to drink enough water throughout the day, Hudson says. By including these foods in his diet, Ernie Hudson stays healthy and youthful. Number 3. 2 foods he avoids. Processed foods.
I don't eat fast food, even though about every 8 or 9 months.
Processed foods are generally full of unhealthy ingredients like added sugars, unhealthy fats, and high sodium content, so Hudson avoids them. Consuming these foods can raise your risk of heart disease, cause high blood pressure, and cause you to gain weight, among other health problems. Dairy. Hudson also stays away from dairy products, which many people find problematic due to lactose intolerance and digestive problems. Dairy products may also be connected to acne and other skin conditions, as well as inflammation in the body. Dairy products may make some people produce more mucus and have respiratory problems. Number 4. 5 supplements he takes.
You know, the Super C and the vitamin B12 and the apple cider vinegar. I saw this online. So CoQ10. Oh, and this for my immune system. Nobody ever said I need it, but it must work pretty good. Fiber gummies, immune gummies, some more immune. So, oh, and fish oil. I got to get some of that too. And viscous. This is really good for something. Men's 50 plus. That's me. I got to get some of those. Oh, and then of course, cannot forget your hair, skin, and nail.
Vitamin C. Vitamin C is crucial for a strong immune system. It helps the body fight off infections and keeps the skin looking youthful by promoting collagen production. Additionally, it acts as an antioxidant, protecting cells from damage. Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is essential for energy production and maintaining healthy nerve cells. It also supports the formation of red blood cells and DNA synthesis. For those who don't get enough B12 from their diet, especially if they avoid animal products, supplementation is important. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is known for its various health benefits, including aiding digestion, stabilizing blood sugar levels, and supporting weight management. It may also have antimicrobial properties. Coenzyme Q10. Coenzyme Q10 is vital for energy production at the cellular level and acts as an antioxidant. It supports heart health and helps maintain youthful energy levels. As people age, CoQ10 levels naturally decrease, making supplementation beneficial. Fish oil. Fish oil is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health, reducing inflammation, and supporting brain function. Omega-3s can also improve joint health and skin condition. There are also other supplements he takes, like hibiscus flower, fiber gummies. By incorporating these supplements into his daily routine, Ernie Hudson ensures he meets his nutritional needs, supporting his overall health, energy, and youthful appearance. His cancer survival journey.
Yeah, you know, in 1998, I was diagnosed with prostate cancer. In 2011, I was diagnosed with rectal cancer. And when I heard the word cancer, it was one of the most devastating moments in my life. I certainly didn't expect that. But it was the early prevention. I get yearly checkups, and we caught it early. And that's why I'm able to sit here and talk to you right now. But
his message is clear. Proactive health measures can save lives. In the end, Ernie Hudson's journey teaches us that with a little care, a lot of determination, and the right support, even life's toughest challenges can be faced head-on and overcome.